Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to do an I-cord cast on edge. This type of edge gives a very nice rolled edge to the fabric, and it's almost as if you've taken the fabric and rolled it over and seamed it. You can see it's a nice thick edge, and in this sample I've done not just a cast on edge, but I've also done a cast off edge with an I-cord and also I-cord edging on the side. So I'll show those in separate videos, and I'll provide links for that at the end and in the description field. But for now, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do this cast on edge. So let me show you how that's done. Now I have double pointed needles just for the demonstration. You don't need double pointed needles for this cast on. Leave yourself about a 6-inch tail, maybe just a little bit more, and put a slip knot. And I'm going to cast on 3 stitches, just doing a regular long tail cast on. I provided a link of that in the description field if you're not familiar with that technique. And so second stitch and third stitch. Now once you've done that, you want to transfer all 3 stitches onto the left needle. So I'm just going to transfer them like so. Make sure you're not twisting the stitches, just transfer them like that. And the reason to do that is because you want your working yarn to now come off of the last stitch rather than the first stitch. Okay, so the first stitch we're going to do a KFB, or knit front back. So insert your needle as if to knit the stitch, but don't drop the stitch. Take that needle and insert it through the back loop of that first stitch. So you're knitting that stitch in the front and in the back, and in doing so you've actually increased a stitch, then you drop the stitch. Now the remaining 2 stitches you're just going to do a regular knit. So now you've increased it by 1 stitch, you're up to 4 stitches. Transfer 3 stitches back to the left needle, just like that. This stitch remains on here. You're going to do the same thing, a KFB in the first stitch, and then regular knit the remaining 2 stitches. And that is the pattern for this cast on. You're going to keep transferring 3 stitches back to the left needle, do a KFB in the first one, and knit the remaining 2 stitches. So as you keep doing that, you'll notice that the number of stitches increase, and you start to form the pretty I-cord edge. And so you're going to keep doing this until you have the required number of stitches that you need for the cast on. And this is how you do an I-cord cast on edge.